Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make crab in Aura Craft. First, gather your materials. You will need specific resources found within the game world. Next, locate the appropriate crafting station. This is crucial for successful item creation. Finally, follow the simple crafting recipe. This process yields a useful item for your adventures. Let's dive into the details and get you crafting in no time. To begin, you'll need 3 pieces of crab meat and 1 aura shard. Crab meat is typically acquired by defeating certain aquatic creatures found in the game's water biome. These creatures often reside near coastlines or in deeper waters. Aura shards, on the other hand, are obtained by mining special ore veins that glow with a faint light. Look for these unique deposits in caves or elevated areas. Once you have all your ingredients, head to any standard crafting table. These are commonly found in towns, player bases, or scattered throughout the world. Open the crafting interface and place the 3 crab meat pieces and the single aura shard into the designated slots. The recipe should automatically appear. Confirm the crafting action, and your new crab item will be ready for use. For enhanced benefits, consider cooking your crab after crafting. Cooked crab offers significantly more health and stamina regeneration, making it a valuable resource for longer expeditions. Also, remember that different types of aura shards can sometimes lead to variations in the final product, offering unique buffs or properties. Experiment to discover all the possibilities. Check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. This will help keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.